Hey everybody, it is, what time is it? 1:25 p.m. on May 13th, and we have a good sized cell heading into the area. There's a pretty good sized line also with that cell, but the cell is sort of breaking off from the line, so the cell is kind of independent from the rest of the line. A little bit of, oh, there's good lightning. A little bit of build up to this one. This morning it was sort of cloudy in the mid 70s, but the dew point was, I think, in the mid 60s. And I would say after about 8:30, the sun was out for about 4 hours. And the dew point got up into the mid 60s and the temperature got up into the mid 80s. So it got up pretty warm and pretty humid. It felt like a summer's day today. So now we have the line form off to the west. So this is the line, starting to drizzle a little bit. So I'll stop talking here and I'll film this for a little while. And yes, that is my neighbor's kid out there singing in a thunderstorm. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I should have mentioned at the beginning, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. A lot of cool cloud formations too. Doesn't really do it justice, but right there, it looks just, from what I'm actually looking at, it actually looks a lot better than what it shows on camera. The camera doesn't really give it much detail. It's a lot darker than it looks. There's the nice little wind gust out in front. I don't know what kind of wind gust speeds we're going to get out of this. When it was about 20 miles west of me, the gusts were, let's see, sustained was 35 to 45 miles an hour. I'm sure the gusts were 50 to 55, which I'm sure warranted the severe storm warning. So I don't get wet. They're definitely an interesting bunch next door, our neighbors. That's for sure. Definitely an interesting bunch. Oh, damn. Oh, man. I hope I got a little bit of that on camera. That was a triple lightning bolt. There, and there. I hope that showed up on camera. That was awesome. Yep, it is here now, that's for sure. Oh, got that one. Right over the tree at the 740 mark, and I'll make sure to label that in the title for everybody. Oh, yes. minute mark. That makes up for the missed one earlier. Nice. Get this for another minute or so here and call it. I'm starting to get wet. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna let you go. Take care and have a good day.